Assalamu alaikum, my beautiful viewers. Welcome again to my channel with a new beautiful video. Eid's around the corner, so I thought why not just tell you how to make some nice, soft, fluffy puriyan. So come on and let's join. And this is the ingredients what we need. I've just wrote it on the list. So first of all, what you need to do is just add the flour, which you can see on there, and then I've always add a bit of atta into it. It just helps. I think it goes more fluffy. That's my secret for that one. It really helps. On here I've added salt and baking soda as well. All the instructions and the ingredients are on my description. I've added a bit of yogurt. Yogurt's like the key for it to be a bit more fluffy, including the oil which I'm adding in front of you now. So yeah, that's once you've added all this, you can do it manually with your own hands. But me, I've just added it on a blend mixer, as you can see, and it just does the job while I can do other things as well. So yeah, just first what I do is I just let it blend all the mixtures, and once that's all blended, I start adding a bit of water, lukewarm water, and just keep on adding it until it becomes a nice soft dough. So it does take I always like to do it in slow process, as you can see. So it does take maybe a couple of minutes, or maybe more than a few minutes. No one's perfect, as you can see. So over here you can see that there was a bit more flour needed to be added, which is the perfect. So if ever you think your doughs are too thin, patla, like it is in our language, then the key is to add a bit of flour, and there you can see it's getting perfect now. Oh, look at that, mashallah, that's become perfect. So there, I'm just gonna obviously stop it soon, and once I've stopped it, I just take all the atta out the dough, and then I'll just apply a bit of oil, which you will be able to see on my next step. So what the oil does is it just makes it more soft and fluffy. So yeah, and then I just, as you can see, a quick mix again, so all the oil is mixed well, and you can just see from the texture of the dough is completely gone better. So that was all done. I did obviously leave it on the side for a bit. And once I did leave it on the side, I think about 10 minutes, then I start making the doughs. This is completely up to you guys how you would like to take this. How you would like to do the next step. For me, what I did is I just like to make them into a dough, and then put them on a, as you can see, I've just put them on a tray. You can do this, or you can put it straight into the fridge. But like I said, I prefer making the dough first and then put it in the fridge. Look at that. That's all done. That was once it came out from the fridge. Now the next step you can see is to actually make the puris. So what you do is you get the bowl, and you just, as you can see, you just have to keep pressing onto it. You can do it with a I will show you different techniques, but with here what we're showing is we can just do it with your hands and make them into like a nice shape, and that with the puris. So you just keep them, patting onto them, and it just, as you can see, it just gets bigger. And when you get your desired shape and size, make sure you put it in the oil, which is when it's really warm. Because if it's not really warm, then it's not, the puri is not going to obviously be as fluffy even fluffy as they should be. So make sure the oil is really warm. And what you do is you just put in, like you can see what I can do. As soon as you put in, you just get like you just keep patting it in like that, and you just leave it for like literally for 30 seconds. Oh, and look what a nice fluffy that is. I obviously made halwa, and I also made chane, just perfect desi breakfast. And you can see the fluffy. Everyone enjoyed it. I will be showing you how to make the halwa and also the chane on the next few videos. So yeah, guys, keep supporting. I do appreciate all the comments you do write on my channel. As you know, I am new, so I do appreciate everyone taking their time out. Any tips, I'm more than happy to receive them. Yeah, just so keep supporting. Like I said, it's highly appreciated. And until we next video, Well, thank you very much for watching, and do subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and comment and like. Thank you very much.